And in this video, I am going to show you how to download Capcut in a few seconds. Okay, this is the easiest tutorial to download Capcut on your PC or laptop. So it doesn't matter. You can use this app on your PC without any problem. You can edit any video on this app. So if you want to get Capcut on your laptop, follow the steps that I am about to show you right now. So what you want to do, guys, you want to go to your browser, like your Chrome, or if you are using Firefox, doesn't matter, just search for BlueStacks. Okay, so just search for BlueStacks. I am going to add the name in the screen right now. So after you open the website of BlueStacks, as you can see here, guys, BlueStacks, and here you have to click this green button here and then click download. Okay, just click download. It's going to start downloading. As you can see here, it's going to take a few seconds, and what you want to click that file to install the BlueStacks. So the BlueStacks is like an Android phone on your PC. You can and then click launch. I already downloaded it, that's why it says launch, but for you it's going to say install. Okay, and you just want to click install and wait a few seconds. It's going to complete install. It's going to start installing on your PC, and after a few seconds you are going to see it here. So after a few seconds after you install the program, you are going to see it here, as you can see here, BlueStacks. And if you want to download Capcut, all you have to do, guys, is just go to BlueStacks, and here you can click. This is how it's going to show at the first you open it. Just click Play Store. As you can see here, guys, just click Play Store and then search for BlueStacks. That's exactly why you clicked on this video. Just click BlueStacks and then click download. Okay, but keep in mind you have to log in using information to open Play Store, just like you did on your phone. So this act like you are using your phone or on PC. So just click install, and then after it's installed, you want to click this. So if you want to use your files, your video files on your PC, here you have to click this home button here, as you can see here. Click it, and here you have to click settings and apps. No, see system apps. You want to click system apps. Okay, and after that you want to click media. Just click media, and as you can see here, guys, you want to click export from Windows. Okay, just click export from Windows, and here you have to select your video that you want to edit on Capcut. Okay, for example, I am going to select this video, and after that you want to go back to your just click here this arrow at the top. Click it until you see okay, and then open Capcut like you open it on your phone, and then click new project, as you can see here. And here you can see the videos that we have exported just a few seconds ago, that we have got from our PC to BlueStacks to the Capcut, so that we can edit them. So for example, I am going to edit this video. Just click it and then click add, and then click add. And as you can see here, this is the BlueStacks. You can do everything you do on your phone. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to drag files from your PC to Capcut, like I said, all you have to do is click this home button here. Click it, and then you want to click system apps, and then click media, this media, and then click export from Windows, and the same process. You just have to select the video that you want to upload.